Hi, I'm Phil Landy with the Atlas Group, a real broker. For over 46 years, I've had the pleasure of working with great people like you to find the right home for their lifestyle. Today, I want to talk to you about helping you help your aging parents, understanding some hard truths. Sometimes adult children notice changes before their parents do. Deferred maintenance, unpaid bills, isolation, difficulty cleaning, mobility concerns, safety issues. Your parents know this is happening, but knowing and admitting it, even to themselves, it's not easy. Why? Because they're afraid of giving up their independence and freedom. The goal isn't forcing a move. The goal is creating a safe plan. Don't push or rush their realization of their new reality. Be kind, be patient, and understand that this is not an easy conversation for you or for them. This is Phil Landy reminding you that I am always here for you. Take care till then, and bye for now.